Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
Chilliz value equivalent to $0.1591 a coin. The present exchange cost range $1.4 $14.675. The earlier day close $1.4 to 23. The change was plus 0.168 plus 11.81%. Backwards rate US to CHZ. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for June 2024. Before all else cost at 3,846 coins. Excessive cost 3,846, while low 3,125. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,538. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 3,333, change for June 13.3%. US to CHZ expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 3,333 coins. Excessive cost 3,333, while low 2,703. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,057. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2,857, change for July 14.3%. Dollar to Chilliz estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 2,857 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,857, while low 2,4039. The found the middle value of cost 2,696. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2,632. Change for August 7.9%. US to CHZ expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 2,632 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,632, while low 2,273. The found the middle value of cost 2,494. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2,4039. Change for September 7.3%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for October 2024. US to CHZ expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 2,381 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,439, while low 2,128. The found the middle value of cost 2,305. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2,273, change for November 4.5%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for December 2024. To start with, cost at 2,273 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,381, while low 2,183. The found the middle value of cost 2,240. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2,222, change for December 2.2%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 2,222 coins. Excessive cost 2,273, while low 2,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,156. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2,128, change for January 4.2%. Dollar to Chilliz figure for February 2025. Initially cost at 2,128 coins. Excessive cost 2,174, while low 1,923. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,067. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2,041, change for February 4.1%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 2,041 coins. Excessive cost 2,128, while low 1,818. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,987. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 1,961, change for spring 3.9%. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at 1,961 coins. Excessive cost 2,083, while low 1,786. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,938. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 1,923, change for April 1.9%. US to CHZ expectation for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 1,923 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,083, while low 1,786. The found the middle value of cost 1,929. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 1,923, change for May's end percent. First and foremost cost at 1,923 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,923, while low 1,563. The found the middle value of cost 1,769. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 1,667, change for June 13.3%. Us to CHZ expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 1,667 coins. Excessive cost 1,724, while low 1,515. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,630. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 1,613, change for July 3.2%. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at 1,613 coins. Excessive cost 2,83, while low 1,613. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,808. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 1,923, change for August 19.2%. Us to CHZ expectation for September 2025. To start with, cost at 1,923 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,174, while low 1,923. They found the middle value of cost 2,015. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2,041, change for September 6.1%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for October 2025. To start with, cost at 2,041 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,041, while low 1,754. They found the middle value of cost 1,931. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 1,887, change for October 7.5%. Us to CHZ expectation for November 2025. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for December 2025. Initially cost at 1,639 coins. Excessive cost 1,639, while low 1,316. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,501. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 1,408, change for December 14.1%. Us to CHZ expectation for January 2026. At the outset, cost at 1,408 coins. Excessive cost 1,786, while low 1,408. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,567. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 1,667, change for January 18.4%. At the outset, cost at 1,667 coins. Excessive cost 2,128, while low 1,667. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,866. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 2,000, change for February 20%. Us to CHZ expectation for Walk 2026. Before all else, cost at 2,000 coins. Excessive cost 2,564, while low 2,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,236. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2,381, change for spring 19.1%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at 2,381 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,381, while low 1,923. They found the middle value of cost 2,182. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2,041, change for April